Soil, soil, soil. Soil is probably not something you think about often, but it is certainly a vital and living part of our ecosystem. It's a core component of food production, water filtration, and human health and well-being. Soil is essentially a carbon sink. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and stabilize it within the soil, offsetting greenhouse gas emissions. Healthy soil is full to the brim of organisms that turn dead matter and minerals into vital plant nutrients. Healthy soil also protects against drought by absorbing and storing water. On the other hand, unhealthy soil can lead to low nutrient environments for food production. The main threats to healthy soil include compaction, agrochemicals, erosion, and human-induced nutrient depletion. Fertilizers add few key nutrients to soil, but miss the diversity of micronutrients that plants and our bodies need for health. Interestingly, soil health can be improved by building and adding organic matter through practices such as local composting efforts, agricultural education, regenerative farming practices on regional and global scales. Organic matter feeds the soil life, otherwise known as the soil food web. When thriving, these soil microorganisms convert important nutrients in the soil to plant nutrition. This reduces the need for synthetic chemicals to grow food. Feed the soil, not the plants. On a local scale, composting efforts at home can help divert waste from landfills and help us support practical solutions for our own yards. Community composting efforts can minimize reliance on synthetic fertilizers that contain harmful chemicals and decrease soil's water retention capacity, productivity, and resiliency. However, when implementing such solutions, some municipalities have experienced challenges with plastic contamination, making this strategy difficult for scaling food production. Think now of your own neighborhood. Where are some places where soil can be strengthened? Think of local green spaces, parks, fields, backyard gardens, and community gardens. How else can we make better use of local land and ensure more rigorous soil health?